Hey YouTube, Brandon from RC Flyer here. Gonna be using my original SCX30, fully modified, on real life rock situation. So let's see how well it does. Take two. Do a better angle. Try not to flip it. I think it's trying to flip right as we speak, but we'll try. Just got to inch it up. Hopefully get in that groove before it flips. Come on, we can do it. Oh, we lost it. Anyway. Here's a tester, guys. Let's see if we can run this ridge. Small enough. Hopefully we can hit the ridge and be able to stay on. Pretty fun line, actually. There we go. Now we're gonna try to crush it up this little incline, and it's not. Let's try to get it over a little bit further and then hit that line. Taking a risk, because if I flip this thing, it's gonna go for a tumble. There we go. Interesting. Oh, gotta cut that out. Oh yeah. We're back to this rock that we had issues with, and we're going to try to hit it again. Actually, we're going to run the line. We're going to go down to this section carefully. Hopefully we don't flip it. I'm going to have to back it up. Carefully so it does not flip. Got to get that front tire up so it corrects itself. Come on. There we go. Stop teetering. I'm going to back it up a little. Oh, come on. We can do it. Whoop. We can do it. Oh, we hit it. We hit the line. Now the question is if we can follow up with this line right here and over this little gap without tipping it. Come on. Don't do it. It's wanting to flip. No. Oh, there it is. It went. Did end up going. Hand of God. But we'll continue. There's one formation I want to go up that I just saw. Come on, don't. Oh. Try that again. Get that tire up. Problem is that the bottom, the back wheels are gonna almost make it tip when it does this. Yeah. Shoot. All right. Do a different line up this and see if we can do it. Just want to get up this line right here. I don't know if it will. Slipping a lot. Oh, all right. Take 3. Again, this is a different line than or angle up this, and see if we can do it this way. Gotta have that left tire drop. And hopefully we don't pull a wheelie like we're doing. Yeah, I don't know if we're gonna have a chance. Oh, there we go. Come on. Yes. We got it, guys. Pulled that off. That was pretty good.